The rain began suddenly, heavy and loud, as if the sky had finally decided to speak. Thick drops crashed onto rooftops, roads, and windows, turning the world into a blur of silver lines. People rushed for shelter, but the rain did not hurry. It stayed, steady and powerful, washing the dust from the streets and the worries from tired faces. A small tea shop glowed warmly at the corner of the road. Inside, strangers sat quietly, united by the storm. Steam rose from cups, mixing with the sound of rain hitting the tin roof. Outside, puddles formed like mirrors, reflecting broken streetlights and moving clouds. A child stood near the window, watching the rain with wide eyes. To them, the storm was not an obstacle, it was a story. Every drop felt like a message, every thunderclap like a drumbeat. Trees bent but didn't break, showing quiet strength. The city slowed down, forced to pause and breathe. As the rain continued, it softened the sharp edges of the day. Old footprints disappeared, replaced by fresh paths of water. When the storm finally eased, the air felt cleaner, lighter. The rain left behind more than wet roads. It left a sense of calm, as if the world had been gently reset.